Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2024 Agriculture Optional Paper 2 question. So the question is, discuss various tests undertaken in seed testing laboratories. So this is of 10 marks question and we have to attempt in 150 words. While writing your mains answer, you have to strictly adhere to the word limits prescribed by the UPSC. So the question will be written like this. Seed testing laboratories, they conduct various tests to assess the seed quality, ensuring viability, purity and the suitability for sowing. So this is a brief introduction that why we require the seed testing. Then major test includes our number 1 germination test. It indicates the ability of a seed to develop into a normal plant under favorable conditions in the soil. So the methods used here are filter paper method and the soil method. In the soil method, we use the brick gravel test. In this, a thick layer of brick gravel is applied over the seed, and if seed is able to germinate and seedling comes out of this, then it indicates that the seed has a high germination potential. Similarly, in the filter paper method, we apply filter paper over the seed, and if seed is able to germinate and produce a seedling, that it indicates that the seed has a germination potential. Then quick viability test. As the germination test takes longer time, so there was a need for the speedier test. So there comes the quick viability test. So the longer time taken in the germination test, it often hinders the progress in the quick quality seed supply, which necessitated the quick viability test. Here the methods used are topographical tetrazolium test and embryo excision method. Then third is physical purity test. It determines the percentage of the pure seed, inert matter and other crop or wheat seeds. Then fourth is moisture content test, which the moisture is essential for the storage. So here we check the seed moisture through oven drying or moisture meters. Then seed health test, which detects the seed-borne pathogens using blotter, agar plate or molecular methods. Then sixth is genetic purity test through grow out test or molecular markers. Then seed size and weight, which is used to assess the uniformity and the planting value. So these tests ensure seed quality standards for certification, storage and commercial distribution.